a comprehensive guide to understanding a clean sweep. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, a clean sweep. Idioms are a vital part of English, adding color and depth to the language, and understanding them is key to becoming fluent. So, let's get started and explore what a clean sweep really means. A clean sweep is an idiom that has its roots in a very literal action, sweeping with a broom. When you sweep a floor, you're clearing it of dirt and debris. Similarly, the phrase, a clean sweep, is used to describe a situation where someone or something achieves total victory or complete success, leaving no room for competition or opposition. It's often used in sports, elections, and other competitive scenarios. To better understand a clean sweep, let's look at some examples. 1. Sports. The basketball team made a clean sweep in the tournament, winning all their games. 2. Competitions. The movie received a clean sweep at the award ceremony, winning in every category it was nominated for. 3. General use. After the new policy was implemented, there was a clean sweep of changes throughout the company. In each case, the phrase signifies thoroughness and completeness in success or victory. The idiom, a clean sweep, has been part of the English language for centuries. Its first recorded use dates back to the 1800s. Originally, it referred to the act of sweeping every opponent in a series of games or contests. Over time, its usage expanded to include any form of comprehensive success or victory. Now, let's practice using a clean sweep in everyday speech. Remember, idioms are like spices in a dish. They add flavor to your language. In a work context, our team made a clean sweep in the quarterly targets, surpassing every goal. Among friends, I heard your brother made a clean sweep in his exams. That's impressive. Self-reflection. This year, I'm aiming for a clean sweep of my personal goals. And that's a wrap on a clean sweep. Remember, idioms are an exciting part of learning English, and understanding them can really boost your language skills. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable using a clean sweep in your conversations. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.